Just like two troops are here. Oh, they fired. Who just fired? Oh my gosh. How is he firing? Okay, hello Nordic people, Naga people, Meghalaya, wherever you're watching for. Peace, peace out, peace from Africa, guys. Your African boy, myself, Gabs Gabi. So 3 days back, I reacted to Hornbill Festival of Nagaland, guys, and I really enjoyed and I love it, guys. Like, you know, I never witnessed this kind of festival, but when I went to Meghalaya, like I visited Meghalaya and I explored Meghalaya, I met a lot of people, and they saw my vlogs also in Meghalaya, Shillong. So they suggested to me to visit Nagaland and to experience their Hornbill Festival, guys. So I was like, let me first check to see how do they celebrate it. So I really enjoyed it. I reacted to it. You can go and get the video in my channel. So one person also from Nagaland also suggested to react to Konyak cultural troupe fire shoot at Hornbill Festival, which is also part of the festival. And I'm also so curious to know much about the Northeast or all the state of Northeast, their culture, the tradition, and everything, guys. So today, let's enjoy this, and peace from Africa. Make sure if you're watching from, well, let me know from where you are watching, guys. This channel is for Northeast people, reaction and vlog at the same time. So it's what, kindly subscribe because you will not regret that. Now from Africa, let's go. We are reacting from A to Z.
This folk song.
Khezhie official.
This song expresses and complements the
So what they are holding is a gun.
young men and
That's a
women.
gun, the old gun.
This love song is lively and charismatic.
Oh, the other,
with references to birds and
the people
other
on the
natural
right
things.
side, they are holding like kind of a,
It also talks
Harrow,
about marriage
spiral.
and living with one's loved one for eternity.
and those guys here, they are holding gun.
This song
Let's see what they are going to do.
the importance of sacrifice and respect in love and relationships.
Okay. I just love how they wear, guys. These people, I just feel like they have the similarity to the old African ancestors. Like their cultural is similar. They have the similarity of how they wear. Okay. Just like two troops are here. Oh, they fired. Who just fired? Oh my gosh. How is he firing? Oh my gosh. That's real fire. They're firing down also. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're firing down like this.
Audience is advised that the Konyak culture are shooting shots.
I need to try this when I go there. Oh my gosh. I just remembered my grandparents, they have this kind of gun for hunting. Let me see what is going to happen next. I think back in the days, this how they fight. This how they fight each other. Oh, the ladies, women are coming now. Those people, they still preserve their culture. Oh my God, this is so amazing. I think they are going to dance now. See the uniqueness of their cultural traditional attires. So back in the days, this is how they fought with the British people. It's my first time watching these guys, but I'm so happy to know that. I think this one happened only before what? Before the Hornbill festival started, right? Because I can see the stage is so free now. It means they did this kind of performance before the main festival to start. Because what I know, most of the time people present about their cultural and traditional performance before the modern performance. See, what is that they put on their head like this? So for them, their dance is so simple. Like both men and women, they have to be dancing in and out like that. I think I have to watch any separate dance to see how the cultural dance of the Naga people, you know. This is really so unique. And I was so shocked to see so many people from different places. I saw also foreigners, guys. They were also attending this festival. Man, this is so fun. Like, this is not only local. This is not local festival for Northeast people. I think this is something big. I think I must witness this one day. But this gun also in Africa we do have, guys. Like our grandparents, they have it. They use it for.
Up next, we will be
They use it. They use it for hunting.
Performance by the Khezhie culture troupe.
Konyak. Who? You can tell me who are the Konyak, guys? Is it a
In
tribe?
view of the 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival, every tribe will present their respective commemorative performance on different days. All the commemorative performances will be judged and the best performance will be announced and awarded on the 10th of December. This afternoon, the Khezhie culture troupe will be presenting to us the commemorative performance.
Okay, guys. I just have few questions to know. I don't want to search in Google. Yeah, because if I will search in Google, then no need to watch, right? So the Konyak cultural troupe. A Konyak, is it a tribe? And how many tribe exist in Nagaland? And like, what is the famous and the biggest tribe, major tribe in Nagaland also, guys? Because I know they call people from Nagaland, they call it Naga, right? Naga, like Naga Manu. I listened to one song like that. You can go and check it. Naga Manu song reaction. I really love that song. It was so amazing. You can tell me more, guys, because from today only, I'll be also reacting to Naga people because I saw a lot of their interaction with me in the comment section, and few of them also followed my channel. So definitely, I'll be reacting to you guys because soon I will also next year I will definitely witness this festival with you. I can't wait, guys. This is really so amazing. I just love it, like how unique it is and how how they are still preserving their old cultural traditional thing, guys. This is really amazing. I already explored Meghalaya and I came to know about their tribe like Khasi, Panar, the Jantia people, and the Garo people, and other sub tribes are there like Boy. So I witnessed one of their traditional, I mean their cultural. It's called Chat Non Creme, one of their festival also. It was really amazing. So that is it, guys. Love from Africa. Kindly subscribe and tell me what to watch next, guys. Love you all. Till next time.